I'm going to show you one website that has never been discussed on this channel, as well as an additional platform for making money online. In today's video, you only need to log into these websites to start making money. These websites function on both desktop and mobile browsers, so you can start making money right now. Basically, all you need to do is execute a few easy tasks on your smartphone to earn a few dollars here and there, $3 here, $5 there, and you'll quickly accumulate $200. And you're free to perform the process repeatedly. How incredible is that? These platforms accept payments via bank transfers, PayPal Cash, and gift cards, all of which have no additional transaction fees. Even better, these websites and apps can be used everywhere in the world. Pay close attention as I explain how to use these two websites to continually earn $200 repeatedly. Okay, before we start, welcome to the channel. Zillow Finance. Make sure to subscribe if you are new on this channel and turn on the notification bell for new videos, so you will be updated with our new content. Now let's get back to the video. The first website is called SproutGigs.com. You would make real money online with this website, and all you would need to do is finish a few easy tasks. Tasks like watching a YouTube video, like a Facebook post, retweeting a tweet, or even merely joining up for a website. You should be aware that you will only be paid for providing value in everything you do. Whatever it is that you're doing, there must be something so valuable that someone is willing to pay you for it. On this platform Sprout Gigs, you would essentially be paid by people all around the world for participating in activities that call for public participation. Sprout Gigs is an online platform that links business owners and freelancers with simple, affordable tasks from all around the world. There are currently active users on this platform in more than 250 different nations and territories, as you can see right here. And right here, as you can see, an online marketplace that connects freelancers and business owners around the world with easy-to-do affordable tasks. If we scroll down right here, as you can see, hire many workers. On this platform you can also hire workers at a very cheaper rate. You can also set filters and target your ideal freelancer, choose a targeting zone, or exclude unwanted countries while posting a job with many tasks. It is a great way to target your perfect freelancer and make sure you only get proper work from the freelancers you desire. You can complete these micro jobs quickly and get paid. And these are straightforward tasks. For instance, data collection, content promotion, app testing, and many other things. In addition to daily offers and surveys, Sprout Jobs offers a lot of others money-making opportunities. For quick and simple cash, you may also take paid surveys and complete offers here on this platform. Additionally, there are gig and influencer marketing opportunities. If we click right here on the Freelance and Earn tab, we are going to be redirected to this page. These are actually the payment proofs on this page. You can view a list of the most recent tasks that have been completed, as well as the most recent withdrawal requests. You can view the various individuals from various nations who are earning some really excellent money from this site by scrolling down the list. Nigeria, Saudi Arabia, the United States, India, and more than 100 more nations are mentioned. Regarding the payment options, you can get paid with AirTM, Litecoin, PayPal, Payoneer, and Skrill. Right here is the referral page. Click and let it load. The referral program is another less discussed area of this platform that has the potential to pay off significantly. You can refer others to this site if you have a Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok account and earn a 5% referral fee if they sign up. In essence, you would be paid a fee for whatever straightforward work they accomplish. But you can always undertake the task yourself if you don't want to rely on commissions or recommendations. Over time, when you receive additional referrals, they will expand and multiply your earnings. Please keep in mind that the employer will only pay you if you accomplish the activities on this website. To get started on this platform, click right up here on the Sign Up green button. You will be redirected on this page where you can put in your information to get started. Your real name, your email address, your password, confirm your password, your nickname, select your country. Click right here and agree to the terms and conditions, and once you are done, click right here on the Sign Up button. Once you do that, you will be able to make a lot of money online with this platform. Before we move on in this video, if you enjoy the video so far, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you have not. Now, let us get back to the video. The next website, Earnably.com. As you can see right here, digital rewards and gift cards made easy. Earn instant rewards by completing tasks, watching videos and taking surveys. It's that easy. You can exchange your reward points for actual money on this particular platform once you've accumulated enough of them. Earnably is a well-liked website for quickly earning digital rewards and gift cards. On Earnably, which is a little like Sprout Gigs, you can also accumulate these points by finishing tasks, viewing videos, and taking surveys in exchange for cash and gift cards. If we scroll down right here, we show a breakdown of the possible points you could earn by finishing some of these quick, easy tasks. You may earn up to 23 points by watching a video on Earnable for 5 minutes. As you can see right here, you can earn up to 58 points for watching a video for another additional 5 minutes. You can also earn up to 202 points in addition, and as you see, there are more and more points to be made with this platform. At the time this video was being recorded, $1 is currently equal to 1,000 points. This platform makes it very easy to get points. If we scroll down right here, redeem your points for instant cash rewards or free gift cards from your favorite brands and retailers. There's something for everyone: cash payments, gift cards, wallet codes, and many more. If we go check it out on Trustpilot, you are going to see that this platform is verified and has a 4.8 star rating, which is not bad at all. To get started, go back and click right up here where it says sign up. Once you do that, you will be redirected to this page right here. All you have to do is put in your email address, your username, your password, your phone number, click right here and agree to the terms and conditions, and once you are done, click on sign up. And that's it, guys. If you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. So, whenever we upload a new video online, you will be updated with our new content. See you in the next video.